Welcome, here I've got REALME Q2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode with the back camera. To get access to the mirror effect we have to change this to front one, so let's do it by using this button from the right. Hi again, and now let's go to the right corner to this button, so we get access to more options we can manage. Now let's pick this button with settings, so we can open the advanced camera settings, and here in the general settings at the last position we have the flip selfie option, so by using this button we can easily turn it on and turn it off, like that, as we need. And this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.